in 7th standard and studying. I am from Knowledge Park International School. I am blessed to do Mr. Mohammed Nasir sir and Mrs. Hajra Begum. Today, first of all, happy Teachers' Day to all. I am really grateful and thankful for respected principal sir for giving me this opportunity. So I am going to start my speech today. We celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5th to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. APJ Abdul Kalam had quoted that teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, the caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. The Holy Quran says, those who learn and teach are the best of the people. The Holy Quran specially asks people to gain knowledge and teach to fellow beings. Teaching is a good noble profession, highly respectable, whereas residential teacher is a very, very, very highly respectable. Thank you, and I would like to say a Urdu शायरी. एक उस्ताद इतने अच्छे हैं एक चिराग के जैसे. एक उस्ताद हैं अच्छे चिराग के जैसे जो दूसरों के लिए रोशनी देते हैं और खुद को जला लेते हैं. शुक्रिया.